Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hi, konnichiwa, Aro Sensei desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Today we will learn about verb te iru. Verb te iru is a verb ing form in English. We form this by adding the word iru or imasu to the te form of the verb. Iru is in casual form and imasu is in polite or long form. For example, the word tabemasu, its te form is tabete. If we add iru or imasu, it becomes a verb ing form, which is eating. Will eat becomes eating. Now let's proceed to its uses. First, we use verb te iru to state progressive form of verbs. It means that an action is happening at the moment. For example, Tom will write a letter in school. This sentence is in future tense. If we conjugate the verb kakimasu into te form, then we add the word iru or imasu. Tom will write a letter in school becomes Tom is writing a letter in school. Next example. Tom will cook dinner. This is also in future tense. Then if we conjugate the verb ryorisuru into ryorishite iru, it becomes Tom is cooking dinner. Next use. It is used to state habitual action or something that is happening frequently. For example, Maisho no doyobi ni gorufu o shite imasu. I am playing golf every Saturday. It means that although I'm not playing golf at the moment, if I do it regularly, I use the verb te iru. Next. Ken-san wa mainichi biru o nonde imasu. Same case to the first sentence. It means although Ken is not drinking beer at the moment, but he does it every day. So we use the verb te iru. Next use. It is used to state one's present situation. It could be an occupation or habit. Example, Watashi wa kissaten de arubaito o shite imasu. I'm doing part-time job at the coffee shop. And for the fourth use, it is used to state continuous action or event. It is the same as have been doing in English. For example, 4年間日本語を教えています. I have been teaching Japanese for 4 years. It means that I have been doing the same action in a span of time, which is teaching Japanese for 4 years. Next, number 5. The actual state or appearance of the subject. For example, Tomodachi wa megane o kakete iru. My friend is wearing glasses. It means that my friend is on the state of wearing glasses. Another example, Tomodachi wa yasete iru or yasete imasu. My friend is thin. It means that my friend is on the state of being thin. And in these examples, we usually use these words. Fututte-eru for fat, motte-eru, shitte-eru, kite-eru, and others. And last, we use verb teeru to state change of state. A good example is the verb to get married. It means that you change from the state of being single to being married. For example, Tanaka-san wa kekkon shite imasu. Tanaka is married. And that's it for now for verb teeru. Hai, Aru sensei desu. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.